Thank you very much. Please.
Africa Relations. My name is H.R. McMaster, Assistant to the President for National Security Affairs. We are honored to be joined by His Excellency President Akufo Addo of Ghana. It is a great privilege to host you, a group of valued partners with whom we have strong relationships that will go stronger in the coming months and years. And it is a great honor to introduce to you our 45th President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
Thank you very much, General. I appreciate it. And I'm greatly honored to host this lunch, to be joined by the leaders of Cote d'Ivoire, Ethiopia, Ghana, Guinea, Zambia, Nigeria, Senegal, Uganda, and South Africa. In particular, I want to thank President Conde, who is representing the African Union. Thank you. In this room, I see partners for promoting prosperity and peace on a range of economic, humanitarian, and security issues. We hope to extend our economic partnerships with countries who are committed to self-reliance and to fostering opportunities for job creation in both Africa and the United States. My Secretary of Health and Human Services will be traveling to Africa to promote our global health security agenda. Yet we know that our prosperity depends above all on peace. The United States will partner with the countries and organizations like the African Union that lead successful efforts to end violence, to prevent the spread of terrorism, and to respond to humanitarian crises. Thank you for joining me for this critical discussion of the challenges and the opportunities facing our nations. Africa, I have to say, is a continent of tremendous, tremendous potential, growing very fast economically and in every other way. You've done a terrific job. You've had some tremendous obstacles placed in your path, but you have done really an absolutely incredible job. So I want to thank you, and I look forward to our discussion. Thank you. Thank you all very much.